The basic and ideology of MMM is what we are about to explain right now, and the founder of MMM is Sergey Mavrudi. He was the one that founded the MMM Social Financial Community. He was born on August 11, 1955 in Russia. He has a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer, and he took part in the development of the first operating system, OS. No wonder it was very easy for him to create the idea of MMM. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was the deputy of the Russia Parliament. Being part of the development of the first operating system in Russia, I guess that was why Mavrudi was able to operate the MMM system with ease. Now let's move forward to the next step of MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. You get help from someone, you provide help to someone, you get help from another person. The help someone provided is the help you get from another person. It's a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM does not collect your money. This means MMM does not put your money in a particular place and does not store up your money in a particular account. You donate money, and you donate money, you receive back that same money from another participant. MMM is not an investment organization, not a bank. A bank stores up your money, and with a particular of time, you get a little interest on your money. But MMM is not a bank. MMM is not an investment organization. You do not invest your money in MMM, and you do not receive back any interest just like that on bank. Your money grows on MMM. MMM has no central bank account. Like I said earlier, MMM does not collect your money. MMM does not give you one particular bank account that you pay into. It is peer-to-peer, participant-to-participant donation. MMM is a community of people who wants to be financially free. Many people who are participants of MMM today have been very, very free from poverty, from different kind of financial problems, financial situations. MMM participants donate their spare money to other participants who are in need of it. Participants in MMM, they really have to donate their spare money. It is wrong for a participant to donate his total income or the total money he has in his purse, because donating your spare money means you have a very low, they donate their spare money to other participants who are in need of it. Let's move to the third stage of MMM community. Let's look at the information about MMM. MMM is the fastest growing community in the world that has over 140 million members in 170 countries. This simply is telling us that MMM is not a pyramid-like business. It is a normal network that provides help and gets help from participants to another participant. MMM is 100% legal in the world. It is legally acceptable, it is legally recognized, it is legally registered. MMM is legal in the whole of the world. Talk of Russia, talk of Nigeria, talk of Afghanistan, talk of Canada. MMM is legally accepted. 4 years of activity and over 140 billion assistance provided. MMM started in the year 2011, and since year 2011 till year 2016, we can simply look at the situation of MMM. The growth rate of MMM has increased by millions, and presently the present situation of different countries these days, MMM has reduced the poverty of even especially Nigeria by 20%. That means MMM is doing a great job. How does this work? How does MMM work? Everybody gains from this new trustful financial relationship. Every participant gains through this same new trustful financial relationship. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help directly That means a participant that provide help and another participant that get help. The participant that provided help is providing help to the participant that is in need of help. Participants exchange their spare money to improve their well-being. Every participant on MMM do write a letter of happiness, and for a participant to be able to write a letter of happiness, it means that participant's well-being has been improved. Participants transfer money directly to each other. Like I said earlier, they transfer money from one bank account to another bank account, which means a participant that is providing help to a participant that is getting help. The account number of that participant which is providing help, the person is transferring to the participant that is getting help. That means they transfer the money directly to each other into their bank account. It has no central account. Let's look into the rules of MMM. Many MMM participants these days don't look into the rules of MMM before joining. That's why many of them have problems. Let's look at the rules. For participation, the sum must be from $10 to $10,000 and multiples of $10, which means the minimum amount you can use to provide help on MMM is $10, and you can use the $10,000 to provide help on MMM. The amount of help you provided turns into Marvel. And on MMM, the Marvel dollars is what we use as our exchange of transactions, which means the amount of help you provided turns into Marvel in US dollar, which means you call it the Marvel US dollars. Thank you. Multiples account is highly prohibited as it might lead to blockage of person's account. Many MMM participants these days, due to greed, they operate multiple accounts, which causes them to lose their accounts, lose their money, which is not MMM's fault, because they are simply breaking the rules of MMM. Participants must not delay his or her payment to other participants when matched. Some participants refuse to make their payments when they are being matched, and I think the reason is because many participants don't have their spare money ready before they provided help to another participant. The next step, MMM participants must not edit their banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. MMM, as a MMM participant, it is wrong, it is a rule of MMM to edit your banking details or change your password less than 15 days before getting help, because if you do, it might lead to blockage of your account. And let's move forward. Let's look into the benefits of MMM. Benefits of MMM. The benefits of MMM here, 30% per month for help in MMM. That means when, like I said earlier, the amount you provided, the amount of help provided is in US dollars, is in Marvel dollars. So 30% of any amount you provided. That means if you provided a help of $10, you have 30% on your $10, and which is $13. And if you provide help of $10,000 on your account, on your MMM account, and you have 30%, you have 30% of $10, which is $10,000, which is $3,000, and which means that participant, when he or she is about to GH, the participant will be having an approximate of $13,000 in his or her MMM account. And another benefit of MMM here is plus 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM. As a participant of MMM, if you invited people through your referral link on MMM, you receive 10% of any amount that participant you referred. You receive the 10% on the person's PH. That means if the person provided a help of $10,000, you receive a referral bonus of $1,000. And if the participant decided to provide a help of $30,000, that means you receive a referral bonus of $3,000. Now let's look into this, the manager's benefit. The manager's benefit here, let's come back to when we were talking of the referral bonus. I said for every participant you invite to MMM, you receive 10%. You receive 10% of the referrals bonus. You receive 10% referral bonus of any amount the person paid. Now, as for the manager's benefit, for the first level participant contribution, the manager receives 5%. Manager receives 5%. And for the second level participant contribution, that means the referral of your referee, you have 3%. You have 3% manager's benefit on the account. And for the third level participant contribution, that means anybody of which that participant of which your referral referred into his or account, you receive 1%. You receive 1% manager's benefit. And for the fourth level participant contribution, you receive 0.5% manager's benefit. For the fifth level participant contribution, you receive 0.3%. For the sixth level, you receive 0.1. For the seventh level participant, you receive 0.05. For the eighth level participant, you receive 0.03. And for the other next level of the participant, you receive 0.01%. Thank you very much.